This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. So my name is Ratan. As we're discussing COREJAVA assignments, right? Core assignments. Guys, in this video we'll talk about the assignment number 7. What is assignment number 7 here? Take the day from end user. Okay, take the day from end user. Take the day from end user, guys. It's Monday to Friday. If you enter the Monday to Friday, weekdays focus on the work. If you enter the Saturday, Sunday, weekend enjoy the party. And if users enter the wrong data, give the proper information, right? Okay, we need to, very simple thing, take the day from end user. Monday to Friday he enter means weekdays focus on the work. Saturday, Sunday means what? Weekend enjoy the party, right? Yes or no? It's a weekend enjoy the party. If users enter the wrong data, give the proper error information, right? So we need to build this example using switch case, guys. Using switch, we need to make this example. Guys, using switch, we need to make this example. If the first time you're watching my videos, you please check all the assignments. I'm placing all the assignments on YouTube and you try to maintain the notes. Already the people who are following, very good. You write the notes more properly. Yes or no, yaar? Yeah. You're very good people. Huh? You're what you were watching regularly. You're okay. You please sit properly and take the notes, write the notes clearly. So now feeling important, right? Think like I'm talking to you. Huh? Yes, feeling important. Yeah, I think you're writing the notes, right? You please comment it. Okay, sir, I'm not writing the notes properly. I maintain the notes. Every page, one assignment. 300 assignments, 300 pages. Okay, slowly we'll move forward. Okay, take the day from end user. Monday to Friday means what? Weekdays focus on work. Saturday, Sunday means weekend enjoy the party. If you use enter the wrong data, give the proper information. Build this example using switch case. Yes, writing the code important, guys. Learning the theory is useless, right? Because if the faculty is teaching the more theory, you please ignore that fellow first. It's a very bad fellow. Feeling is very bad and very good, very bad fellow. We need to think about what always what practical knowledge, guys. Ratan sir always believes what practical knowledge, but not theoretical, right? Yeah, guys. This example let me do with using Eclipse ID, guys. Let me go for Eclipse ID. Because previously assignment 5 is completed. Now 6 is completed previously. Now we'll go for the 7th assignment. Yes, you got the point, right? 7th assignment. Okay, 7th assignment, right click here, new. I want to take the class. Okay, this is my package now. Yeah, in the assignment 5, I showed you how to create the project in Eclipse ID. You please check the 5. Then do the 6th. Then come to 7. Right click, new. I want to take the class. If you know this information already, well and good. Because you can take the assignment number how much more? 7. It's assignment 7. Click on the main method. Click on what? Finish, right? Exactly. Just click on the main method, click on what finish, right? Yeah. Okay, this is my code. Just tell me what's the requirement here. Take the day from end user first. Just to take the day from end user, we can require the scanner class. Scan every video, same process, right? Scanner equal to what? New scanner system dot in to represent the input, right? Yeah. Just take the day from end user, right? Enter a day. Enter a day. Enter some day, right? How can we get the date? Day, because he entered the data in the console, right? From the console we have to read the data. From the console to read the data, scanner data, we can go for the next method, guys. Because he entered the day means string data, right? To read the string data, next method we have to use. Then string, can we get string? We need to take the day, right? Exactly. Because I need to check the switch case, right? Using the switch, Monday to Friday, I want to check. Weekdays, focus on work. Okay. Because let me make the switch case. Switch off, you can pass the day directly. Switch off day. So now switch off what? Day, right? Otherwise, let me do one thing. You write the character, one character, two characters, you get the switch, right? Select this one. It's taken like case and default, right? Okay, otherwise let me write here. The switch off, we can pass the day. Is what the point, right? You can take the cases, right? Case we can take. Case, tell me guys. Let me take the case here. The case is what? Monday. Because I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For these all cases, only one message or different messages. Because for these all cases, how many messages? No? For these all cases, only one message, right? Weekdays focus on work. That's what gets here. Case Monday, case Tuesday, case Wednesday. Like this, we can write Monday, Tuesday. Tell me guys, Wednesday, and tell me guys, Thursday. Next one is what? Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? Up to this one, you can give the message like this. What the message, guys? Up to this one, this is our only one SOP statement. Weekdays focus on work. Weekdays what? Focus on work. Let me use the break statement there. Okay. So you got the point, right? He enter the Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, any day. Just you can give the message like weekdays focus on work. Let me stop the work, right? Break example. Because remaining two cases now. What are the remaining two cases? Tell me. Case. Let me guess. Case what? Saturday. Case Saturday. Just a colon. Next one is what? Case Sunday. Just you can put the colon. For these two dates, 2 days. Tell me guys. Weekend. Till weekend. Enjoy the parties, right? Enjoy the parties. Party is important. Party is important. Not important. It's important. Always work. Hmm? Try to spend some time on parties also. Sitting, standing. Up to you. Hmm? Party is important. Important. Veg biryani, non-veg biryani, chicken, mutton, fish, France. Always work. What is work? Yeah, fine. Get the point, right? Weekdays focus on work. Weekend party. Everyday party means what? there is no there is no use, right? Yeah, I think you got this clarity, right? So Monday to Friday means what? For these all cases I written only one SOP statement. Break the case, right? Break the switch. Okay, so no, if you enter the Monday now, this message, stop it. We enter any day, we get this message, right? Saturday Sunday means this message, right? Yeah, because if user is enter the wrong data, we can write the default, right? Default of what the message is. If you enter the wrong data, give the proper error information, right? Exactly. Enter valid information, right? Let's enter what? Valid information, right? Exactly. There's something like you need to take the break. That's it, guys. At last, we need to close the scanner, right? Scanner dot close method. The scanner dot what? Close, right? Enough. You got the pointer? That's information, guys. Guys, complete, right? Yeah, just I taken the day from end user. I took the day from end user. If you enter the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any day, we got the message that weekdays focus on work. Saturday, Sunday means what? Enjoy the party. And if you enter the wrong data, default got executed. Enter valid information, right? Exactly. Tell me how to run this code. How to run this code means right click, run as a Java application. Okay, so enter the day. Guys, first let me enter the Sunday, because first the party important. Weekend, enjoy the party. If you want to run one more time, right click here, run as Java application. Otherwise, directly here we have the run button, guys. This is the run button, right? Run this one, run button here. Enter the day. Tell me, guys, what the day for you guys? Monday. Monday is very bad. Yeah. Weekday start, right? Yeah, Monday. If you run this code one more time, I can enter like a Friday. Okay, Friday weekdays focus on work. Last one is what, so enter the day. I enter like Ratan. Tell me, guys. You get the enter valid information, right? Enter valid information. Okay, sorry, clear now. Enter valid information, right? There's information, guys. Okay, so assignment is good, right? Guys, assignments are good or not good? Yeah, I'm doing this much work for you guys, huh? Making the assignments, huh? You please, I'm doing this much work for you guys means you just like the videos, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, and please share this information to your friends, and you join Ratan Sir classes. If any information required, you can call this number 7330 88 66 99. Okay, so our mail ID is what? RatanIT help @gmail.com. You can send the mail to this one, right? Yes. You got the point now? Yeah. That's the information, guys. That's assignment number how much? Assignment number 7, right? Using switch case. So clear now? Yeah. Because meet in next video. We'll go for next question. Thank you.